Hey guys, this is Teresa
And this is Samantha.
and today we are going to do a chikni challenge once again for you. So today's funda is we'll be using this chikni and we'll be putting it into each other's nose. Like always we use it on our nose, but this time we'll do it for each other. Let's
For
see.
you guys.
As per the comments, one of the requests was to do that. So let's try. Hoping it works.
Okay, look who's in.
Hi. Say hi,
Hi,
guys.
puppy.
Here.
Starting munching.
I'm ready.
Close this.
Chikni powder. Please comment. First you do, then I do.
Okay. Be careful.
Oh, that's too much. Okay. Oh my god.
But this is not the task.
Doggy touching. The doggy touching.
Oh.
I'm so happy.
Oh, that was too much. Oh god.
Doggy
Why are you sweating so much?
It's too hard. Don't give me this. Give me.
Oh god. This task is too much. Are you done? I think I'm done. Done enough of sneezing.
Last
Last.
for you.
God bless you. Alright then, I hope you guys had fun. Okay, she wants to do something.
Go on now.
Okay guys, hope you had fun. Yes, hope you had fun. Please leave whatever you felt about this challenge below in the comments. And if you want more requests, please mention it in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please give it a
Bye.
thumbs up. Bye bye.